Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm here with my fancy bike pump that I use on the motorcycles to pump up the new tech tubeless system. And I don't even know how you say this brand, so I'm not even going to attempt. But that's the brand. And I'm changing out the hose. This is the hose that came with my high volume, high pressure pump. There's different ones. I don't really understand the difference. At least this is the end that came. There's like red ends to the supposedly high volume, which this claims to be high volume, high pressure. I don't know why I have a gold end because I don't think that's the correct end by reading online. This is how it came. So anyways, this part on the old pump wore out. Take this off. What I don't like is inside of here wears out after a while. It makes it wobbly putting on the valve stem. And then in here is an O-ring. And use an Allen, you can take this apart. You take that off and there's an O-ring. I stole the O-ring from this side, from inside there, and I put it on that. And it worked. It's not leaking. But you can't spin that, and it's hard to get on a motorcycle through the spoke and try to deal with this line if you can't turn that easily. Now I don't know why they just don't do a normal, one you press on and toss the lever. Now they sell one, but people say that doesn't really work. So I went online, I ordered this. I think it was like 20 bucks. I don't quite remember, but I'll have the link in the description on Amazon, and it comes with the end and a redesigned hose with a different type fitting here. So hopefully this works good. And it also comes with this part, which goes on down here. So just take some needle nose and just loosen it. Once it's loose, you should be able to just spin it if you can get your hand in there. It is awkward. Okay, so I just slide that up. Maybe it's like a barb fitting. Let's see. Yeah, it's just a barb fitting. So let's see if I can get this on camera here. See, just a barb fitting that slides on. So I can set that to the side. Let's see, hose. Well, of course, that's been, well, it's the same size. So take this end, put that on, at like so. Then take that and jam it onto that barb. I think that's on pretty good. You take that piece, just slide that on down, and thread that on. If you need to, take the needle nose, take little bites. Just very awkward because you got this piece here, the pressure gauge. Almost there. There we go. That is on. Now, let's see if it's the correct length. And this is the part that changed. So the new one, as you can see, goes like that. You can still detach this guy. And I'm guessing there's still no ring in there, because that looks like that can possibly thread out, but this part is crimped. So I'm not quite sure if that will 100% solve the issue over time or not. Here, we'll hold up the old one. So old one, see, has that type of fitting. So you can take this off, you can take that off with an Allen, and then there's an O-ring, and then this just slides on, and yeah. So maybe this is a lot better fitting, hopefully. And there we go. That's how you change the end of your pump. And as you can see, the new hose also fits down where it should, just like that. And these pumps aren't cheap, so too bad that's the downside. And it's still hard to get on, but at least now I can swivel it. So thanks guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos. Have a good one. Bye.